make sure to adjust your settings to match mine exactly. Now, I'm going to show you a side-by-side comparison of how the game looked before and after these adjustments. Make sure to give this method a try as well. I'm confident it'll provide a solid solution for you too. If you found today's video helpful, show your support by giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with your friends. If you enjoyed this content and want to see more like it, be sure to drop a comment below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all my latest uploads. A massive thank you to each and every one of you who took the time to watch. Until next time, good luck, and I'll catch you in the next one.